Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Is your electric oven's self-cleaning feature failing to work? Here are the top 6 most probable causes. During the oven's self-cleaning cycle, the door switch activates the door lock motor to prevent the oven door from being opened. If the door lock motor and switch assembly is malfunctioning, the self-cleaning cycle may not start. For many lock assemblies, you can use a multimeter to test the micro switches inside the lock for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the switch. If a micro switch tests negative for continuity, then the door lock assembly is defective and will need to be replaced. On some models, a thermal fuse will blow if the oven gets too hot, shutting off power to the oven. Since the self-cleaning feature depends on the oven reaching temperatures of 900 degrees Fahrenheit or more, a defective thermal fuse may trip prematurely, interrupting the self-cleaning cycle. As with the micro switches, you can use a multimeter to test the thermal fuse for continuity to determine if it needs to be replaced with a new one. If the bake and broil elements are malfunctioning, they may not be able to get hot enough for the oven to self-clean. You can often determine that an element is defective by checking for any visible breaks or blistering. You can also test the element for continuity. The door switch alerts the oven control that the door is closed, but if the switch is defective, the self-cleaning function may not be allowed to begin. Again, you can use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. The oven control on some models is switch-based with a thermostat and sensing bulb assembly. The thermostat monitors the oven temperature and will shut off voltage to the elements when the selected temperature is reached. A faulty thermostat may have trouble assessing the oven temperature and prevent the oven from self-cleaning. If your range uses an electronic control board to control voltage sent to the heating elements, the board itself could be malfunctioning, although you should first rule out the failure of the other components. The board cannot be easily tested, but you can inspect it for signs of burning or a shorted out component. For additional troubleshooting information, enter your appliance's full model number in our website's Repair Help search bar. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.